Hey guys, what's going on? So check out the new model I just designed. This right here is an Origami Pandora's box container. And yeah, so it's a box right here, or a container. See, you just open the flaps up like that, and then you can stick something inside. See, just like that. And I named it the Pandora's box container because the opening right here, I'm gonna close it up so you can see. Alright, so I named it the Pandora's box container because when it's closed, this opening right here, it looks very similar to the Pandora's box right here. And this is designed by Yami Yushi, I hope I pronounced his name right. And Joe Nakashima made a tutorial for this model right here, to learn how to fold this. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make this model. So want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. And what color should I use? I'll use purple. Okay, I'm gonna use purple because it stands out against my background. Okay, so let's begin white side up and let's fold in half. We're gonna make a square base. Okay, unfold and fold in half this way. And yeah, this is a star box variation, so it kind of starts out as we're making a star box. Okay, and now fold this point to here. Okay, turn over and fold this up. Okay, open the pocket, bring the sides together like this, and flatten it, just like that. Okay, so now orient it so that the open side is facing towards you. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it to the middle line. And repeat on this side. Alright, and repeat on the back side. Okay. And now we're going to open this flap right here, and we're going to squash it so that the crease right there aligns with that line. Like this, make that sharp, and do that 3 more times. So on this flap and these 2 flaps. Okay, just like that. Alright, now fold 1 flap over like this, so it's all colored right there, and turn over and fold this up like this. Okay, now refold these 2 flaps on these 2 existing creases. And repeat on this side. Okay, and now take this part and fold it up as far as it goes, like this. Make sure that this point aligns with this crease. Yeah, no, we're not making a star box, by the way. Alright, and fold 1 flap over, turn over, and fold 1 over like this, and repeat. Okay, and now unfold all those flaps you did. Okay, like this. And now we're going to take this part and we're going to fold it up in between these 2 points. And you don't really need to make it sharp. You can just make a light fold all the way across. Like this. Okay? And now unfold that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this point right here and we're going to fold it up. How much? Well, you want this point to align with this light fold we made right here, and we want the fold to originate at that point right there. Yep, looks like I got it, so if you got it, crease that nice and sharp. Alright, and now turn over like this, and repeat on this side. So make sure this point aligns with that crease and anchor the fold at that point. Okay, and now fold one flap up like this, turn over and fold this flap up, and repeat. I might need to make that fold again. It's becoming invisible. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and fast forward. Okay, just like this. Alright, now comes a kind of tricky step, not too bad though. What we're going to do is we're going to make a squash fold, so we're going to squash this flap so that the fold right here we're making aligns with this raw edge right here. So make sure the squash aligns with that edge. Like that. So it's going to be one of the flaps of the box. And now turn over and repeat on this side. And make sure you're folding on this crease too. See, notice we're folding on that valley fold. Alright, make that fold align with that raw edge. And make that nice and sharp. Okay, now undo that. And undo this one too. Alright, now fold one flap over like this, turn over, one flap over, and let's do the same thing. Open here, squash it, make sure you're folding on that valley fold right there. Just like that. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, and repeat on this side. Okay, just like this. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge right here and we're going to fold it to this crease right here. Like this. And unfold. And repeat on this side. So fold to that nearest crease. Okay, unfold. And now let's undo this squash right here. And fold one flap over like this, turn over and fold one flap over. And now let's remake this squash fold right here and fold this edge to that crease. Alright, unfold and repeat on this side. Fold to that crease. Like that. Okay. And now comes another kind of tricky step. Not really though, it's just a reverse fold. What we're going to do is we're going to change that fold we made into a mountain fold. Like this. Alright, and then now fold it down like that. That wasn't so bad. And repeat on this side. Like that. Okay, and now fold one flap over like this. And yeah, we're kind of folding on here. That's alright, it's not going to hurt anything. And repeat on this side. So let's make that mountain fold we made, that valley fold we made, and change it to a mountain and reverse fold it like that. And repeat on this side. Like that. Okay, and now we're going to make a fold connecting these 2 points. So fold it like this, make sure that this point aligns with the middle crease. And this is the bottom of the box right here. And unfold, turn over, loosen that crease up like this, and reverse it so it's genderless. Like that. Okay. And now let's go ahead and open the box. So here we go. Okay, like this. And now we're going to form the flaps. And before we do that, let's fold this flap over like that. Just over that edge so it gets it out of the way. And do that all the way around. Okay, like this. And now fold this down like that. Just on that fold. I better hurry up because my camera's about to die. So I better hurry up and get this done. And do that all the way around. And then now make sure that this flap, this last one, it goes over this one and under that one. Just like we're making a box or a ninja star. See, like this. And just kind of pull right here just to make this kind of up more. Looks better that way. And once you did that, there is your Pandora's box container complete. So yeah, just open the flaps up like this. And then you can stick something inside, like an Origami Pandora's box. And just good luck trying to take it out. So yeah, and then good luck trying to close it too. This is kind of like a puzzle. You have to get them all in there. It'll probably get easy once you get the hang of it though. Oh, got it. So there it is. Alright, hope you guys were able to fold that, and hope you find it interesting. And make sure you subscribe, and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.